Quick video of the day: how to replace your filament on a Bambu Lab P1S. First, you're gonna go to the menu. You're gonna go to feeding. You're gonna click on unload. While she is warming up, you have to pull the filament back. Pull the filament back. Take your old spool. Take the new spool. Cut the edge. Put it back in your spool holder. After you fed all the way to the end, load. And after you click, you're gonna see a little bit of filament coming out. And that's mean you are all ready. And now you can go back to print.